For months, astronomers tracked 3I Atlas as it swept silently into the solar system, an object initially categorized alongside the rare class of interstellar visitors. Its green-tinted tail, its unusual brightness, and its puzzling thermal behavior made it a subject of fascination. Most researchers believed they were observing a single, enigmatic body, strange but ultimately natural. Then, in the early hours of September 19, everything shifted. An amateur astronomer scanning the Chilean skies captured images that would ripple through the scientific world. Surrounding Atlas were faint points of light, 9 of them, moving with uncanny precision. They weren't scattered debris. They weren't random reflections. They maintained formation, locked perfectly to Atlas' trajectory like silent companions. Initial skepticism came swiftly. Digital artifacts, cosmic rays, sensor noise, familiar explanations for unfamiliar visuals. But confirmation followed just as quickly. Independent observations aligned. Multiple instruments detected the same configuration. Atlas was not traveling alone. Spectral analysis deepened the mystery. The companions displayed signatures inconsistent with typical cometary fragments. Their composition hinted at metallic elements rarely associated with icy bodies. Stranger still, their energy profiles defied expectation. Objects no larger than city blocks appeared to radiate extraordinary amounts of power. Nature, as we understand it, offers no easy framework for such behavior. What unsettled scientists most was not merely the presence of these bodies, but the manner of their detection. For weeks, Atlas had been under continuous observation. Yet the companions seemed to emerge suddenly, appearing between observational frames as though activated rather than discovered. No gradual separation. No visible fragmentation. Just an abrupt transition from solitary traveler to synchronized convoy. Models struggled. Simulations resisted stable solutions. Known mechanisms failed to account for the observed energy distributions. Researchers found themselves entertaining possibilities normally confined to theoretical extremes, not because they wished to, but because conventional explanations proved insufficient. Debate intensified. Some argued for unknown natural processes. Others cautiously entertained the idea of structure, coordination, intent. None of these interpretations sat comfortably within established assumptions. Public curiosity surged as images circulated. Questions followed naturally. Why had this not been widely anticipated? Why did independent observers appear to outpace official statements? Space agencies acknowledged ongoing analysis but released limited raw data, emphasizing the need for careful verification. Silence, in such moments, often breeds imagination. Speculation expanded further when another interstellar object, C-2025-R2, entered the narrative. Larger, brighter, and approaching along a nearby corridor, its timing raised eyebrows. Two rare visitors converging within a similar region of space inevitably fueled interpretations ranging from coincidence to cosmic choreography. Orbital mechanics, however, deals strictly in probability, not purpose. Still, the human mind searches for patterns. Historical records of unusual celestial events resurfaced. Ancient descriptions, symbolic language, cyclical interpretations, reminders that humanity has long tried to make meaning from the sky's unpredictability. Modern instruments offer clarity, yet mystery remains a constant companion of discovery. Meanwhile, researchers continued dissecting the data. Precision measurements, long-term tracking, comparative analysis, the slow, methodical work of science moving deliberately beneath waves of public intrigue. Extraordinary observations demand extraordinary scrutiny. Because history has shown that the universe often appears most mysterious just before it becomes better understood. Whether 3I Atlas and its companions represent unknown natural phenomena, observational complexities, or something entirely unforeseen, one truth remains steady. Discovery is rarely comfortable. It unsettles before it explains. It questions before it resolves. And sometimes, what feels like the edge of understanding is simply the beginning of a deeper one. The sky has not changed its nature. But our ability to observe it continues to evolve. As the analysis continued, the mystery surrounding 3I Atlas only deepened. What initially appeared as a startling visual anomaly began to reveal layers of complexity that refused easy interpretation. Observatories around the world intensified their tracking efforts, refining measurements, cross-checking data, and searching for even the slightest irregularities in motion. What they found was unsettling in its precision. The 9 companions did not drift relative to Atlas. They did not wobble, scatter, or exhibit the chaotic behavior expected of fragments shaped by collision or gravitational stress. Instead, their spacing remained mathematically stable, their formation preserved across successive observations with a consistency that challenged conventional expectations. In orbital mechanics, perfection is rare. Even natural systems, moons, asteroid clusters, gravitational resonances, carry subtle imperfections. Tiny deviations accumulate. Minute instabilities emerge. Yet Atlas companions maintained their configuration with an eerie steadiness, as though governed by something more than passive physics. Then came the energy irregularities. Sensitive instruments began detecting faint fluctuations, periodic variations in electromagnetic readings that aligned not with solar activity, but with the relative positioning of the companions themselves. These were not dramatic bursts, not signals in any traditional sense, but rhythmic disturbances embedded within background noise. Patterns without clear origin. Researchers hesitated to label them transmissions. The scientific threshold for such claims is high, and for good reason. But the repetition was difficult to dismiss. The pulses appeared structured, neither random nor easily attributable to known astrophysical processes. Debate intensified behind closed doors. Some physicists proposed interactions with the solar wind. Others explored exotic plasma effects, unfamiliar but theoretically possible behaviors arising from interstellar material encountering the heliosphere. These explanations carried merit, yet none fully accounted for the observed stability and synchronization. Precision without mechanism. Meanwhile, high-resolution imaging added further intrigue. Under deeper analysis, the companions displayed brightness variations inconsistent with simple reflective surfaces. Their luminosity shifted subtly, not flickering like tumbling rocks, but modulating in ways that suggested orientation or activity. As though responding. Public speculation accelerated faster than scientific consensus ever could. Online communities dissected every released image, magnifying frames, comparing timestamps, constructing elaborate interpretations. The narrative expanded beyond astronomy into philosophy, geopolitics, and existential reflection. Because uncertainty invites imagination. Yet within research institutions, the tone remained measured. Extraordinary interpretations require extraordinary evidence. History is filled with cosmic puzzles that ultimately yielded natural explanations once instruments improved, models matured, and data accumulated. Caution is not denial. Still, one aspect proved persistently puzzling. Thermal readings indicated that the companions were not behaving like inert bodies. Their heat signatures fluctuated slightly, suggesting processes not easily explained by passive solar heating alone. Energy implies dynamics. The question was no longer merely what they were, but what processes could sustain such behavior across interstellar distances. Natural objects can surprise us, pulsars, quasars, magnetars all once defied comprehension. Yet Atlas convoy presented a different kind of enigma. Coordination. As Atlas continued its inward journey, anticipation grew. Future observational windows promised better angles, clearer spectra, deeper insights. The closer the objects moved, the more data could be gathered, the more constraints could be applied to competing hypotheses. Mystery thrives in distance. And so the world watched, scientists with instruments, amateurs with telescopes, the public with curiosity. Between fear and fascination, skepticism and wonder, one reality remained unchanged. The universe had offered another question. And humanity, as always, stood at the threshold of trying to answer it.